Unser Thema heute: Wechselpräpositionen, Teil 1. Welcome to another episode of German is Easy with Market Lindsay. Our theme for today: accusative dative prepositions. What are they? Accusative dative prepositions express both movement, the fact that an object or a person is moving, and location, where an object or a person is located. So with one German word, we express two different meanings, and to do so, we use two different cases. In English, oftentimes, we have two different words for that. So now let's take a look at our accusative dative prepositions. There are 9 of them altogether. The first one is in, indicating that an object or a person is inside of something or is going to be moving inside of something. In English, we use to, into for the movement, and in for the location. Notice that we have different words to express both. A second preposition is an. An indicates that a person or an object is next to, almost leaning against some other vertical object, or maybe even a person. In English, we use to also for the movement, and we use at or next to for the location. Notice that we use in German and an in German for the movement to express to. So going to a place in German, there are different words for that. So we have to know exactly when to use which one. A third preposition is neben. Neben is a little bit like an, but it indicates only that a person or an object is close to or next to something else, not necessarily leaning. So the proximity is not indicated there. In English, to express the movement, we say next to, and for location, we have the same word here, next to. Our next preposition is auf. Auf means that a person or an object is literally on top of something that is horizontal. So if you're going to play soccer, you are going to be playing on that field, on top of that field. So we would use the word auf. In English, we express that with to again in certain cases, and with onto for the movement, and on or on top of for the location. Our next preposition is über. Über means that a person or an object is above or moving above something else. In English, we express the movement by using over or above, and the same thing with the location over or above. Next preposition is unter. That's a cognate, easy to remember, in English, meaning under, both to express the movement and the location. Vor means that you are in front, or that an object is in front of another object. To express this in English, we say to the front of, and to express the location of that object, we say in front of. And the same with hinter is behind, or to the back, and for location we would say behind or in the back. And last preposition is zwischen. Zwischen is in between two objects or things. So our person or object is in between. For movement, the same preposition used in English as in German. Let's do a quick recap of those prepositions. Follow along. In, an, neben, auf, über, unter, vor, hinter, zwischen. Go ahead and practice that. And when you think that you can remember all of these and know the meaning of all of them,